traders, I'm looking at the euro dollar. Let's go out to a weekly time frame. Look at that. This is well and truly overextended and due for pullback at some stage soon. Okay, this is eating into this liquidity zone up in here now, pushing into it. We might see a little bit more upside, but look at this thin candle all the way. No, there's been nothing. It's just pushed up relentlessly. So, look, I'll tell you what, we'll go down to a daily and I'll give you a bit of my idea on a trade setup. I just want to open this up. I've got down here the daily time frame. This is the euro index and this is dollar index. Both of these are well and truly overextended and they're both trading into previous levels. Right, a key support zone, but more importantly, this is a huge liquidity pool here. We've got buy stops resting here prior to this rally. Right, that's going to clean these guys out, and these shorts will pair with these. Sell stops, not buy stops. What I'm talking about. These shorts will pair with that, and I would expect this to react from that level. And it's the same thing with the euro here, right? So we've got this level here, right? That's trading into at the moment. A bit of a gap. All right, now when you pull a Fibonacci from low to high, there's equilibrium. Any price range, I'm always looking at the midpoint equilibrium for a target for this to retrace into. Anyway, so that's the euro index, the dollar index. So when we come into this chart, same story, guys. Look, this is the price range. That's equilibrium. Big money needs to, if they're looking to go long, there's a ton of liquidity resting all through here in the form of sell stops on the back of retail FOMOing in. All right, so unloading up in here, pairing their orders with these buy stops makes a lot of sense, and then that retrace after it runs into this level is a high. I think it's a fairly high probability outcome, to be honest. So how to get involved? Well, I'm going down the time frames, and look, here's another thing. Let me just grab a 1 hour chart. I want to show you this. All right, just look at this. Look at this trend here. Okay, look how strong this trend has been. The momentum behind it was fairly significant, pushing through here, and you can see 45-degree angle. It's pushing up, right? Trade up, and then we get this lower high here. Okay, lower high. So it's running out of steam, and lower highs, lower low on the 1 hour time frame. Just be careful here because what we could get. All right, we've got this double top. Let's have a look at it. Equal highs, relative equal highs. I'm half expecting that to get run and then this low to get taken out, and then possibly we get that. Right, so we've got this current range through here. I'm thinking that could be a play. I mean, look, it could trade a little higher, but this is ranging, guys. And whenever you see price ranging like this, big money is involved. They're working their orders, and it makes a lot of sense to me that they will be looking to unload. Now, I could be completely wrong, and this could continue up and then dump. Okay, they might go for liquidity further up. They know that retail and everybody's selling. Stops are being set up, being loaded into the order book up in here. So that's right for the picking. How high they push this up to target those stops. That's the question. So just watch for the run above, possibly even a bit of a shakeout, and then that fake out. I'm always looking for that, and then come back down. And I'm going to be looking for an entry if this starts to trend south. So, guys, look, that's my take on the euro dollar. I would be absolutely stoked if you were to comment, share your thoughts below. What do you think about about this and share the love. Yeah. With that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.